I'm here on the west coast and I'm currently out in the blue water fly fishing, and I'm having the most incredible time catching tuna on the fly. So we can start the video now. I'm already in the backing. Beautiful. Yeah, he's gone tail wrapped. The colours on these things are exquisite. You can't see it on that video, but this thing is just incredible. There you go. Standard old kahawai. Flies out. Beautiful. Another kahawai. The places to be fly fishing. Pretty good one here. Yeah, go! I love this! I love this! School of kahawai. Check out this. There's a tuna. How cool. One right there. Anyway, I got one on my rod, so another little nugget. This is so much fun. Woo! Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Tuna. Yeah. Oh, kahawai. Beautiful little nugget. See ya, mate. Another cracker little tuna. Yo! Alright, that'll do me. I've landed probably close to a dozen skipjack tuna. Probably 3 times as many kahawai today. Yeah, the wind's getting up. My arms are really hurting. That's why I was getting a bit big for this little boat. And I might head back in to shore. Oh, and tuna's not the only thing I got today. No trip to the coast will be complete. I've had a bunch of these guys.